friends! Welcome to a new week. As you can see, I am currently sitting on my porch right now because the weather has just been so nice. It's really sunny today, and I have this really great view, which makes it a whole lot easier, you know? When you have sun and puppies, what else do you need? Except earlier I was recording a video and a truck went by and it was super loud, and then my dog started barking really loud. And so, you know, there's the challenges too. But I hope that you guys are able to get outside, and I hope that you're doing homework out in the grass maybe. That would kind of make it a little bit more fun, I'm sure. You know what I was thinking today? It is just so crazy. I was trying to highlight crazy and it's not working. I just can't believe that you guys are about to be seniors. We have 2 weeks left right now of the school year, and you guys are about to be seniors, and it seriously feels like yesterday when I met a lot of you as ninth graders, so I just can't believe it. But exciting. The year's almost over. And we're going to finish basically with you guys doing your constructive speeches, and then that's all. So there's no school Monday because of Memorial Day. I want you to turn in your constructive speech outline by Tuesday if you can, and then whenever you turn it in, I will go in and give you some feedback. I'll just check them and make sure that they look good and they look like you're ready for giving your speech. So once you turn it in, just go back in like a day, maybe two, and check for my feedback. I won't give you a lot of feedback if it looks like you're on the right track and it looks good. If I have some questions or suggestions, I'll definitely put them in there. So go back into Schoology where you turn in the assignment and click on your assignment, and you'll be able to see my feedback on little note cards and stuff. So make sure you do that. I want you to make sure that you look at that rubric again. Remember, the negative rubric and the affirmative rubric are two different ones, so just make sure that you look over your correct rubric and you know exactly what you're being graded on. You do need to cite 5 different sources in your speech verbally, so you know, make sure that you do that. Make sure you prove your job. You know, in the rubric it tells you very specifically what it is that you need to prove to me in your speech. So just whatever rubric is right for you, go in there and look at it and make sure that you do what it says to do. I also would really love it if you would use some of the skills that you've learned this year about, you know, for giving speeches. So, you know, try to use really good eye contact, try to sit up really straight, use hand gestures if applicable. You know, try to use the correct tone of voice that you should be using for your speech. Practice it, please, a few times before you actually give it. And please don't just read it from a script. Try to make it engaging and interesting, and, you know, use the skills that you've learned this year in speech class to show that you've, you know, gained some speaking skills. And then also just, you know, make sure that you're proving your point in your debate. Try not to end with the end. End by saying, please side with the affirmative, or please side with the negative because, and, you know, kind of sum up your reasoning. Basically, your final speech is due by the last day of school, Thursday, June 4th. Submit it to me. There'll be directions for submission next week. So just don't forget about it. Make sure that you know, get some feedback on your constructive speech and start putting your speech together. And let me know if you need anything. If you ever want to have a Google Meet, if you ever just email me with questions. I'm pretty good, I think, about responding to people right away. So whatever you need help with, just please feel free to let me know. I am here for you, friends. Oh my gosh, puppy's stretching. Oh my gosh. Oh, oh, you guys, they're just my babies, you know? They're just so dang cute. Okay, have a really good week, and I'll talk to you all soon.